Hi there guys, it's Rita here and you are tuned into Melanin and MS, a brown girl's journey with multiple sclerosis. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a little different. Today I thought I would take a stab at explaining what multiple sclerosis is, as well as how it affects our bodies, because I get asked those questions a lot. So without further ado, I am just going to jump right into the video of me explaining what multiple sclerosis is. Enjoy! What is multiple sclerosis? Multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune disease in which your body attacks healthy tissue within the central nervous system. Now, the central nervous system is comprised of three parts: the brain, the spinal cord, and the optic nerves. Additionally, within the central nervous system, there is a complex network of nerves that are responsible for sending, receiving, and interpreting information from all parts of the body. This means that the central nervous system is responsible for everything we do, from walking to talking to thinking to our digestive system, literally everything we do. So let's look at how damage is caused by multiple sclerosis. Here is an example of a nerve cell, which is responsible for carrying and receiving messages from one part of the body to another. So first we have the dendrite, which is the web-looking things, and they are responsible for receiving information from other cells within our body. Next up we have the axon, and this is responsible for sending information to other cells within our body. And then last up we have the myelin sheath, and this is responsible for protecting that axon. So think about the rubber shell that protects electric cords. Myelin also helps those nerve signals mentioned earlier to travel quickly from one part of the body to another. So when you get up to walk, for example, there are signals that are sent quickly that say, okay, we're getting up now, we're moving, we're picking our foot up, we're stopping, we're picking this up, etc. So you want all of those signals to be quick and uninterrupted. However, in multiple sclerosis, our body attacks the myelin and those signals do become interrupted. Within our body, we have white blood cells that are responsible for fighting off harmful things such as infections. With multiple sclerosis, our white blood cells become inflamed and they attack healthy cells. For whatever reason, our immune system is faulty and does not recognize these cells as healthy, hence why it is called an autoimmune disease. Now, after the myelin has been damaged, a scar forms just as a scab would form over a cut, and these are called lesions. Multiple sclerosis actually means multiple scars. So this scar tissue is usually stiff and hard, so it blocks or obstructs the flow of nerve signals. So here's an example of a healthy nerve cell, and we can see that the messages are flowing smoothly and uninterrupted. But with the damaged nerve cell, communication between the brain and the rest of the body is now interrupted. So think about that electrical cord example I gave earlier. I'm sure we all know that when our chargers become damaged, it's very glitchy. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes you have to move it a certain way, and eventually it stops working altogether. That's kind of what is going on within our body. And depending on the location of the damage, a variety of functions within the body can become affected. And these can result in symptoms such as vision problems, difficulty walking, chronic pain, cognitive issues, muscle weakness, the list goes on. There are up to 80 different symptoms reported as a result of multiple sclerosis. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful and you learned something new about MS today. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss my next video about my initial reaction. Until next time, bye!